Give it up, Alice. Pow! Huh, not gonna happen. There's a big shootout going on in the sisters' room. But their mom is here. Girls, what are you doing here? We're just playing. Just a little bit. How many times do I have to tell you not to make a mess? We're sorry. We didn't mean to. Stop it. Clean up this mess right now. Use your energy in a productive way. Do you understand? Ugh, I hate cleaning. Me too. I hate it. Oh, I have an idea. What if we made a secret room? And we could play in it as much as we want. Yes! So, what are we waiting for? Let's do it! I found something. The secret room needs walls. That's great, sis! Now, hold this for me. It's so much more fun to work together. Perfecto! Wow, good job! And there will be brick walls with graffiti on them. Now that's like street art. Delightful! I love it so much. Me too. There's something missing though. Stools! Right. Let's fix this. Awesome! Yeah, the wall needs shelves. I have an idea. Let's make it out of cardboard. We need a blueprint first. How's that? I think it's great. Then let's cut it out. You have to be careful with the knife. Like this. 1, 2, and the shelves are ready. Let's make it colorful. Fantastic! Even better than I thought. Sis, how do you like this pineapple? Wow, so cute! Summer prints are so refreshing. And what about some snacks? Perfect! But regular light bulbs are so boring. I totally agree. And the solution to the problem is already here. Decorate the garland with colorful plastic balls. Bright accents are always in style. Oh, that's a great idea. And now for the finishing touch. Let's hide the secret house behind the curtain. Then Mom will never find it. We did an awesome job. I know, sis. I now declare our secret room open! Yay! The school halls hold so many secrets. And Nerdy Betty has them too. I don't know how to solve this. This test is a math disaster. Tell me about it. Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Come on, Alice, this is our chance. You haven't seen anything. There's so much stuff in Betty's secret room. It's a very scientific place. Where do we find the right answers? Think, Alice, think. You don't have much time. I'm just resting here. I don't care. Phew, that was close. Alice, hurry up. They must be somewhere. It's empty. Oh, I haven't looked here yet. Ah, a skeleton. Wait a minute. Here are the answers. I hope you don't mind. Thank you. Guess what? Ta-da! Yes, we're saved. Come on, let's go. It's only getting more secret. Hey, Nikki, did you hear that too? Weird noises. I think they're coming from over there. I can't believe it. The secret house under the stairs. To be or not to be. And the Oscar for Best Actress goes to... Let's take a closer look. The magnificent Sophie! You've got it all wrong. It looks like the cleaning lady has a little secret too. But the sisters decided to support the future star. Sign an autograph for me, please. Oh, the fame! Oh no, not the principal. Why now?
Hey, what's going on here?
Selfies with a star. Oops, I think we're in trouble.
I hired you to clean up. Now get back to work. And you, young ladies, to my office.
Oh, this is not a good look.
Aren't you ashamed of yourselves?
Sorry, Mr. Brandon. We didn't mean to.
You can rest assured you will be severely punished.
Oh, yes, a life-saving phone call.
Yes, Mr. Johnson? Stay quiet. I'll be right back.
Of course. Sis, it's time for action. We have to cross ourselves off the punishment list. Where is it? Uh-oh. Nikki, look! Principal Brandon has his secret cabin under his desk, too. Wow, he's got a crush on Sophie, the cleaning lady? I wonder if she knows about this.
Where are those troublemakers?
Hey there!
Oh, God.
Here we are.
But you won't tell anyone what you saw, will ya?
Of course, Mr. Brandon. That's the deal.
In that case, girls, you're dismissed. They promised to keep our secret, my love.
All the Troom State kids know this man. Ryan, the ice cream man, is here to delight all the county's sweet fans. Come and get it. One cone, please. One for me, too. Customers can't get enough. Wow, I want ice cream, too.
Enjoy it. Nice hat, man.
Can we have two? Here's the money, sir.
2. Sorry, there's only 1 cone left.
It's mine. No, it's mine. Give it back immediately.
Stop fighting!
You didn't catch it. The ice cream man's secret cabin saves him the stress.
My mom always told me to do better in school. And I didn't listen to her. I could have been an engineer. You want some? It's good, isn't it?
You should see this dress. It's gorgeous. Look, Alice. What a cute doggy. The little one obviously needs a home. We'll take care of you, Fluffy. We promise. Come on, let's go home. But there's one little catch. There's no way Daddy's gonna let us have a pet. Here we are. Can you believe it? Our neighbors are having a garage sale.
And I wasn't invited?
They have great deals. What do we do now? We have to find a place to hide the doggy. What is that? Oh, this place is perfect. Let's get rid of everything we don't need. Let's decorate the walls with colored paper. That's a great idea. Green is so calming. Done. The soft blanket will be the fluffy guest's favorite. And the walls, decorated with bones, show there's a dog in the house now. Let's keep going. Enjoy! The secret dog house is ready. Now the baby is safe.
I can't believe it. I'm too late. I had my eye on that toolkit of Frank's for a long time. Hey, what is that?
What? We didn't hear anything. Uh-oh. The new member of the family has turned himself in.
Will someone please explain to me what's going on here? I told you, no dogs in the house.
Please, Daddy.
All right, let him stay.
Oh, this job. Not a single customer all day. Hey, what if? Let me show you that blouse. I'm all ears. Hey, there's nobody here. That's strange. Oh, look at that color. I want to buy all of it. Do you think this style would fit me? Let's try all this on. Meet me at the mirror in a few minutes. Oops, that was unexpected. Alice, look what I found. Just be quiet. It looks like the sisters found the seller's secret house. Awesome! In that case, let's keep it down. The quiet shopping trip was a success. Pleasant dreams. Ding dong! Huh? Who's there? I must have imagined it. Well, what are we going to do today? Let me think. Bingo! I'm gonna watch Troom movies. What? What about me? I wanna watch them too. Give me the laptop, Nikki. Whoa, whoa, whoa! This is not gonna work. We need to make a table. We'll make legs out of old hangers. Easy. All that's left is to fix it up. Thanks for your help, sis. The final touch is the tabletop and the laptop mat. The home theater is ready. Would you like some chips? Oh, yes, I would. It's so cozy and fun in the sister's secret cabin. It's also delicious. Cheers! Oh, that's my favorite episode. Alice, I think I'm full. Oh, me too. Hey, it's been a long time since Mommy came to see us. Yeah, we have to find her. Alice, we're going the other way. Hey. Mom, where are you? Just a minute. Tropical plants? Seascape? There's Mom. What happened, huh? Pinch me. That's right. Mommy has a secret spa house. Girls, you scared me. We're sorry. We didn't see anything. Yeah, anything. No peace of mind in my own house. Can you believe that? Yeah, we all have our little secrets.